How to create an account on Nintendo Switch. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily create a Nintendo Switch account. First off, go to your web browser and then simply search for Nintendo Switch. Now you'll find the first option. Click on Nintendo Switch. It will take you directly to their website. All you need to do now is click on the login button. So find the login button at the top corner. Wait for everything to load. And then you can just click on the option to log in. Click on login sign up. So if you're completely new, click on the sign up button. But if you already have an account, you can simply log in. So just enter your date of birth here. It's going to be first month, then day, and then select your year. Once you've done that, click on submit. Now you can use different options to create an account for easier use. You can continue with Google or Apple ID, or you could just you're going to have to fill out all of these details like your nickname, email address, password. So what I'm going to do is just enter a nickname here or a username, then enter my email address. The next step is to create a password. So once you have entered your password, all you have to do now is just confirm your password. Once that is done, you need to select your gender and then your country region as well as time zone. Now check all of these boxes and then click on submit and it will send you a notification on your email with a verification code. Once the code has been sent, all you need to do is just enter the code and you should be able to create a new account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys and I'll catch you on the next one.